All right, let's talk about something big. Today, we're going to go on a quest, not for some mythical treasure, but for something way more valuable in the modern world, a career-defining certification from Oracle. Let's dive in.
So let me ask you a question, and be honest. Are you ready to really future-proof your career? To build a path that's not just secure, but also incredibly valuable for years and years to come?
Well, if you're nodding along, then your adventure could start right here with one of the foundational giants of the entire tech landscape, Oracle.
Okay, so first things first. Why this quest? I mean, what makes an Oracle certification such a big deal? Such a powerful tool for your career? Let's get into the why. The benefits? They are huge. We're not just talking about a nice to have here. You get global recognition because employers everywhere know the Oracle name. And there is an intense demand for people with these certs. It's basically a formal stamp of approval on your skills. And honestly, that's what unlocks that treasure chest of higher earning potential and builds a truly rock-solid career. You become essential to the thousands of top companies that run on Oracle.
So, where do you even begin? Well, every great journey needs a map, right? So let's unroll ours and take a look at the different territories inside the Oracle universe that you can choose to conquer. Our first territory is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. Think of this as the digital bedrock, the servers, the storage, all the networking that powers today's businesses. It's the fastest growing part of the whole Oracle ecosystem and, as we'll see in a bit, one of the most lucrative. This is absolutely the cutting edge.
And inside OCI, you get to pick your specialty, kind of like picking a character class in a game. Pretty much everyone starts with foundations to learn the basics. But from there, you could become a highly sought-after cloud architect, literally designing the blueprints for entire systems. Or maybe you're more of a guardian, then you can specialize in security. Or if you love automation, the DevOps path is for you. Next up, we're arriving at the very heart of the kingdom, the Oracle database. Look, for decades, this has been the world's #1 enterprise database. If you master this, you become foundational to how businesses manage their most critical asset, their data. The paths here are just as cool. You can prove you're a wizard with SQL, which is the language of data. You can become a super well-paid database administrator, or DBA, the guardian of the data. Or, and this is pretty futuristic, you can step into the future by specializing in their autonomous databases that literally manage themselves. How cool is that?
Our third realm is Oracle ERP, which stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now that sounds complicated, but just think of it like the central nervous system for a huge company. It's the software that runs everything from finance and supply chains to human resources. We're going to focus on their modern cloud version, which is called Oracle Fusion. And here's the amazing part about this one. You don't need to be a deep-down coder. If your background is more on the business side of things, like in finance, HR, or logistics, these certifications are basically your golden ticket into a high-demand tech career as what they call a functional consultant. And our final realm is a legendary one, Oracle Java. For any programmers or software engineers out there, the Oracle Certified Professional, or OCP, remains one of the most respected credentials in the entire software industry, period. Okay, so we've mapped out the universe. Now comes the most critical step in any quest, choosing your own path. So how do you match your unique background to the right certification? This right here, this is your personal roadmap. This is the aha moment. Just find your background on the left. If you come from a business or a non-technical field, look no further. Oracle Fusion is your destiny on the path to becoming an ERP consultant. Now, if you're already deep in IT or programming, your targets are crystal clear. OCI Architect, Database Administrator, or Java OCP. And for all you data nerds, if you live and breathe data, your quest leads you straight to Oracle Analytics Cloud. And now, let's talk about the part of the quest everyone gets excited about, the treasure. What are the rewards for all your effort? Let's talk about the money. What's your earning potential? Let's just start at the very top of the mountain. An Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect, the person designing the cloud backbone for major companies, can command a salary of up to $180,000. Wow. And it does not stop there. A certified cloud security engineer, the person tasked with protecting all that critical infrastructure, can earn up to $160,000.
And whether you're a functional fusion consultant translating business needs or a technical database administrator managing the data, that top-end potential is right around $150,000. The demand is absolutely real, and so are the rewards.
Looking at these salary ranges, a really clear picture starts to form, right? I mean, even really respected roles like a Java developer have excellent earning potential, but you can see that the cloud-focused certifications, especially OCI Architect, are clearly leading the pack in terms of that peak salary.
So you're inspired, you've seen the map, and you've seen the treasure at the end. How do you take that very first step on your journey? Let's get practical. Here's your 4-step plan to get ready. First, practice. Get your hands dirty with Oracle's free cloud tier. Second, focus on the core concepts like networking. Third, study the official white papers. Go straight to the source. And finally, if you really want to accelerate your progress, consider investing in a structured, expert-led training course. It can be a real game changer. So if you take away just one thing from all of this, let it be this. An Oracle certification is not just another line on your resume. It is a direct investment in a high-value, future-proof career. We've shown you the map. The only question left is, which quest will you choose?